Hello everyone. Today we will be comparing and contrasting Notion, Monday, Asana, and ClickUp. Also, we're here to answer the question, what should you really be using? First, we have Notion. Notion is highly flexible and customizable, acting as an all-in-one workspace, excellent for knowledge management, note-taking, database creation, and project documentation. It offers a growing range of templates and strong collaboration features. Notion AI provides writing assistance, brainstorming, and data summarization. The recent edition of Notion Calendar aims to centralize time and task management. Second, let's talk about Monday. Monday is known for its user friendly and visually appealing interface, strong project management capabilities with various views like Kanban, Gantt, and customizable dashboards. It is excellent for team collaboration, automation of repetitive tasks, and integrations with many popular business tools. It offers features like workload management and time tracking. Third, let's talk about ClickUp. ClickUp is a comprehensive project management solution packed with features including robust task management, customizable workflows, automation, and overextensive integrations. While Asana is praised for its seamless and user friendly interface, particularly for task and project management, it has strong automation capabilities and focuses on clarity of tasks and responsibilities. It offers features like workload management, goal setting, and real time progress tracking.